It's an enterprise boasting China's largest cast iron radiator manufacturing and export base. It's a radiator manufacturer serving the whole country, radiating North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa, and facing the world. It's a modern enterprise, taking integrity at its base, quality at its spirit, exploration and innovation, and self-surpass at its mission. Known for East Sunrise and high-quality products, it is the third-generation cast iron radiator founder. Shanxi Beizhu Radiator Company Limited. Founded in 1988, Shanxi Beizhu Radiator Company Limited. With 25 years of inheritance, innovation, and development, has continuously focused on research and development of new technologies and new products of cast iron radiators, and launched new products with independent intellectual property rights, obtaining many national cast iron radiator patents. Its cast iron radiators like Guofeng, Daya, Xiaoya, Songya, and Boya are leading a new fashion wave of modern home heating. Guofeng cast iron spray radiator with a 1,600mm center distance has filled the gap of the industry and achieved the highest dimension in the world. Beizhu has complete variety of radiators like traditional, export, and new product series. Beizhu has developed into China's largest cast iron radiator manufacturing and export base, integrating research and development, casting, machining, and sales. Beizhu's cast iron radiator without burning on sand inside has filled the gap of China's high-end cast iron radiators without boutiques. This product completely meets GB 19913/2005 technology safe use standard, which is an optimal product with the highest cost performance for high-rise and high-end architectures. Beizhu's high-grade imitation steel aluminum cast iron spray radiator is elegant, attractive, environmental friendly, comfortable in heating, energy efficient, and durable in use. Its heating cost performance is superior to any light radiators, which is a perfect combination and performance of personalization, artistry, and humanization. East Sunrise represents a new stage. Thriving Beizhu Radiator Company, carrying glories and dreams, is leading the new future of radiator industry. Beizhu Radiator, Shanxi Province, Qinxi County, Beizhu Radiator Company Limited. Address: Beiguan Village, Xigou Town, Qinxi County, Shanxi Province. Telephone number: 0351 5978 555. 0351 5978 557. Website: www.sxbznqp.com.